माज महला तीजा सतगुर साची सिख सुनाई। हर चेतो अंत होए सखाई। हर अगम गोचर अनाथ जोनी। सतगुर कै पाए पावणिया। The true Guru, Satguru, has guided me with the true teachings. One should think of Vaheguru, always remember Vaheguru, who is our support and help till the end. Vaheguru is inaccessible and incomprehensible. He has no master and he is beyond birds. He is obtained through love of the true Guru. Hom vari jiyo vari aap nivarਣਿਆ। आप गवाए ता हर पाए। हर सेउ सहज समावणिया। रहाओ। I offer myself as a sacrifice, my soul as a sacrifice to such Guru-minded people who have rid themselves of their egoism. By ridding themselves of their ego, they attain Vaheguru in the fourth state of equipoise. पूरब लिखिया सो कर्म कमाया। सतगुर सेव सदा सुख पाया। बिन पागा गुरु पायै नाही। शब्द मेल मिलावणिया। According to the preordained written destiny, Guru-minded people act out of their karma. They serve the true Guru, and in service of true Guru, they find lasting peace. Without good fortune, Guru is not found. Through the word of the Shabad, Guru-minded people are united in unison with Vaheguru. गुरमुख अलिपत रहै संसारे। गुर कै तकियै नाम आधारे। गुरमुख जोर करे क्या तिसनो। आपे खप दुख पावणिया। Gurmukhs remain unaffected in the midst of the world. The Guru is their cushion and the name of God, is their support. Whosoever behaves with the Guru-minded people in a rough manner, they never gain anything. Instead, they die a disgraceful death. मनमुख अंधे सुध न काई। आत्म काती है जगत कसाई। निंदा कर कर वो पार उठावे। बिन मजूरी पार पहुँचावणिया। The faithless people, manmukhs, are like blind who have no understanding at all. They are assassins of their own selves and the butchers of the world. By continuing slandering others and talking ill of them, they carry a terrible load, and they carry loads of others for nothing. इह जगवाड़ी मेरा प्रभ माली। सदा समाले को नाही खाली। जेहि वासना पाए तेहि वरतै। वासुवास जड़ावणिया। This whole world is like a garden where this Vaheguru is the gardener who is always taking care of it, and nothing is exempt from his care. As is the fragrance bestowed by his garden, so is the fragrant flower known. Whatever type of favors God bestows on individuals, they spread the same type of atmosphere and message to the world. And with this type of character, individual is known for his good or bad deeds. मनमुख रोगी है संसारा, सुखदाता विसरिया अगम अपारा, दुखिए नित फिरे बिल लांदे, बिन गुर शांत न पावणिया. The self-will manmukhs are like sick people and diseased people in this world. They do not remember that Vaheguru who is the giver of peace, that unfathomable, infinite God. These miserable people, they wander around endlessly crying out in pain. Without the Guru's guidance, they cannot find any peace. जिनकी ते सोई विध जाने, आप करे ता हुक्म पछाणे, जेहा अंदर पाए तेहा वरतै, आपे बाहर पावणिया. The one and only God who created them knows their condition, and if Vaheguru inspires them, then they realize the hukum of his command and start understanding his will. Whatever he places within them, that is what prevails, and so they outwardly appear to be. तिस बाझो सच्चे में होर न खोई, जिस लाए लय सो निर्मल होई, नानक नाम वसै कट अंतर, जिस देवै सो पावणिया. I do not know of any other except for you, the true one. Those whom God attaches to himself, they become immaculate. O Nanak, the name of Vaheguru abides deep within the heart of those unto whom he has given